Hi everybody, you are welcome to this channel, and I am Atanu Betal, and I'm with you right now with another video lecture. And this video lecture is about how to calculate the molecular mass of a compound. And in this video we mainly discuss how to calculate the molecular weight, molecular mass of different chemical substances. So let's start our discussion. Molecular mass calculation is generally uh, uh, we need to calculate molecular mass, molecular weight, because molecular mass is a very important point for determining the other important factors. So how to calculate molecular weight or mass? Molecular mass or molecular weight is calculated by making a sum of all the atoms mass or all the atoms that are present in a molecule. When all the atoms that are present in a molecule, all the atoms, their mass are all added together, the mass form, which is called the molecular mass. Means the when atomic masses of each atom that are present in a molecule are all make total, we make all the atomic masses a total atomic weight, then it becomes the molecular weight. So now let's we do this thing with an example. For example, suppose we want to calculate the molecular weight of water. Very simple substance, common substance. For its molecular weight, how can we calculate its molecular mass? Here look at the atoms that are present in this water molecule. In water molecule, 2 hydrogen atoms are present, and hydrogen atom having atomic mass of 1 gram. uh, so here 2 hydrogen atoms are present, so 2 into 1, and oxygen atom having mass of 16 gram, so it's plus 16, so total equal to 18 AMU is the molecular mass of water. Molecular mass of water is 18 AMU. And if we talk about the GMM, gram molecular mass of water, that time we write it as 18 gram. So I think you understand this topic. For calculation of molecular weight of a substance, we have to sum all the atomic masses, sum of all the atomic masses that are present in the molecule, where we have to calculate the molecular mass. So for calculation of molecular mass of water, we do this simple calculation for calculation of the molecular weight of water. We like to take other examples also for the molecular mass or molecular weight calculation. We calculate the molecular weight of H2SO4. It's called sulfuric acid. So for sulfuric acid, how can we calculate the molecular mass of sulfuric acid? It's very simple. For hydrogen, you know that hydrogen, for hydrogen atomic mass is 1 gram. For sulfur, atomic mass is 32 gram, and oxygen atomic mass is 16 gram. And now molecular weight of sulfuric acid equal to 2 hydrogen into 1 gram for each hydrogen, and for sulfur it is 32 gram, because one sulfur atom is present in this molecule. And for oxygen, you know, oxygen has atomic weight of 16 gram, and total number of oxygen is 4 in this molecule. So molecular mass equal to 2 plus 32 plus uh, 64, so the total is 98 gram. So 98 gram is the molecular mass of sulfuric acid. Okay, so finally you watch the second example, how to calculate molecular mass of sulfuric acid. We would like to see another one example for calculation of molecular weight. Look at the calculation of molecular weight for C6H12O6. It is called glucose. C6H12O6. So we like to calculate the molecular weight of glucose C6H12O6. So here we have to know the mass of each atoms that are present in this glucose molecule. Carbon present, which having the atomic mass of 12 gram, hydrogen present, which have the atomic mass of 1 gram, and oxygen having atomic mass of 16 gram. So now molecular weight calculation for glucose. For glucose we see 6 carbon atoms are present, so 6 into 12, and next 12 hydrogen atoms are present, and each hydrogen atom having a mass of 1 gram, and 6 oxygen atoms are present in this glucose molecule, and each oxygen atom have a weight of 16 gram. So now 72 plus 12 plus 96, so we make a total, and total is now 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Carry 1, 10 plus 7, 17, and 1, 18. 180 gram. 180 gram is the molecular weight of glucose. So you understand this calculation, I think, in details. So in this way we can calculate the molecular weight of different chemical substance accurately and clearly. I think you don't have any confusion for calculation of molecular weight or molecular mass of a common substance. In this way you can calculate the molecular mass and molecular weights of all the substances that you required to calculate the molecular weight. And this is the discussions right now, and I think you understand this topic clear. This topic is now clear, and if you like this video, then give a thumbs up, like for this video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel, because I am making this type of educational videos for you, and you can learn this type of points from chemistry subjects. So thank you for watching this video.